Welcome to 109 Courtney Oak Drive. This charming 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home with a covered front porch, fenced backyard, and hardwood flooring inside. It's located in the Pine Ridge area of West Columbia, convenient to I-26, West Columbia and Cayce amenities, as well as a quick commute to downtown Columbia. So we're out front. You'll see you have a nice front yard, big oak tree for shade out here, and you have a 2-car wide, or excuse me, a one, sort of a 1.5 or 2-car wide parking driveway on the right side, and of course you have a covered front porch here before you enter the home. Beautiful front door as well with the glass inlay. And as we step inside, you'll notice inside we have real hardwood flooring in the foyer and the living room as we come in. It continues down the hall as well. So you have a coat closet here off the entry as you come in, and then the living room. You have nice crown molding and a brick fireplace, ceiling fan in here as well, and nice tall floor to ceiling windows for a lot of natural light in here. And then you can see the room opens into the kitchen. You have an eat-in dining area off the kitchen with a bay window, nice wood trim and detailing in here with the crown molding and the chair rail molding in the dining area. You can see that's all open to the kitchen. Just nice wood cabinets, lots of storage space in here, and included appliances. You have a French door refrigerator with a bottom drawer freezer, and sort of a black stainless, and then the stainless steel built-in microwave and smooth top electric range, and you have a dishwasher there as well. And kitchen window over the kitchen sink. And this door accesses the backyard space. You have a nice deck, great for entertaining right off of the back of the kitchen. Nice river birch tree out here as well. And you can see, you couldn't quite see it from the front, but you'll be able to see pretty well in the photos. You have a metal carport structure here in the backyard that's inside of the fencing. Storage room coming off the back of the house there as well. And then you can see a fenced backyard, and also you have another storage building and workshop in there. Has sort of a ramp, so you can, if you have lawn equipment or something that you need to put in there. Also has another door to access, so nice outdoor space as well. So back inside. One down the hall, you have your 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Let's see if we can get you some more light here. So here we have off the hall one of 2 full bathrooms. You have tile flooring in here, a single vanity, and a shower and tub. You can see the sink and mirror. Attic pull down here in the hallway. There may be some storage up there. One of 3 bedrooms, ceiling fan. We have a nice sized closet with some built-in shelving in there. Bedroom number 2. And these both face the backyard. Ceiling fan in here also. I believe you have those in all 3 bedrooms. Nice sized closet also. And you can see that hardwood flooring goes down the hall, but does not include the bedrooms. Those are carpeted, and you have a nice linen closet here at the end of the hall, as well as the laundry room right next door. So full-size washer dryer connections and some built-in shelving above. And then last but not least, your primary suite, where you have nice vaulted ceilings in here, a ceiling fan as well. You have a nice bank of windows against that wall looking out towards the front yard. We'll just come on the other side so you can get a better idea of the space, but it's a nice size room. And then it flows nicely into the bathroom, where you have, just going from left to right here, you have a separate shower, nice walk-in shower, and that is in the same room with the water closet. There's a door that closes that off for privacy. And then you have out in the bathroom itself, you have a nice garden soaking tub with an octagonal window above that, and then you have a double sinks on the large vanity and countertop here, nice big mirror as well, and then your walk-in closet is opposite that, and you can see nice built-in storage in there. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 109 Courtney Oak Drive in West Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.